Mulak siblings na sina Atasha at Andres Mulak tumanggap ng parangal sa FAMAS. Nitong Biyernes ng gabi August 22 ay ginanap ang 73rd FAMAS Award Night sa The Manila Hotel kung saan ay tumanggap ng parangal ang iilang kilalang personalidad kabilang na ang Mulak siblings na sina Andres at Atasha. Tinanggap nila ang Herman Achievement Youth Award na kumikilala sa remarkable achievement at inspiring potential ng mga young talents. Matatandaan na mas naipakita ni Andres Mulak ang kanyang natatanging husay sa pag-arte sa kanyang pagganap bilang Kiefer sa live adaptation ng Wattpad series na Ang Mutya ng Section E, habang si Atasha Mulak ay bibida naman sa Philippine adaptation ng Thai movie na Bad Genius. Samantala, super proud parents naman sina Aga Mulak at Charlene Gonzalez sa parangal na ito na tinanggap ng kanilang mga anak sa FAMAS. Talaga nga namang gaya ni Aga at Charlene ay may ibubuga din pagdating sa pag-arte ang kanilang mga anak na sina Andres at Atasha. Narito panuurin natin ang iilang kaganapan sa 73rd FAMAS Award Night 2025.
There's a lot that I want to say, but first of all, thank you so much. It was such an honor to be recognized by such a respected institution. Maraming salamat po for these awards. Thank you po. We want to thank our bosses, Boss Vic, Boss Vincent, Boss Bernice, Boss Al, Boss Bert, Tita June, Kaka, maraming salamat. Thank you so much. And also, we want to thank more importantly our family, please.
I'd like to thank our parents, our mom and our dad, supporting us and being joining us on this ride and guiding us through the way. Thank you so much. And of course, most importantly, we'd like to thank the people that supported us through this journey. We learned a lot, and we're still learning a lot, and we truly want to share the stage on this night.
Yes, and also we also want to add that maraming salamat po sa lahat ng workshop coaches namin, from the staff of production to everyone behind the scenes that makes the Philippine industry. Of course, the magic behind it. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Natasha. Sorry po, video lang tayo. Sige. Kapan lang kayo. One more proposal in last one. Alright, ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, thank you so much. Pasay niya kita. Okay. Hold on for a while. Okay, sabi masakit. Graduation day. Yeah. Big smile. And then just give me like one big. 1, 2, 3, and yes, love that. One more. 4, 3, 2, and go ahead. Thank you. Andres, hi. Andres, Natasha. Hi, Natasha. Hello, Natasha.